How to edit your Substack profile. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that you can follow up and you should be able to edit it out. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can log in into the Substack application on the website for that, and once we are logged in, we can click on this profile icon right here. After that, our profile page opens up. We can click on this option called Edit Profile and head over to the space, and we can start updating our profile details. So inside the section, we'll be finding name. We can edit out that name. If you want to add in your name, we can type it in and click on this option called Save. Similarly, we have handle also. If you want to edit out, you can click on Edit and edit your handle as well and click on Update Handle. Once you've done that, you can even add in a different bio that you prefer. Apart from that, we have the section where we can upload up a different cover photo. You can click on Select Image if you want to select image from your device and put it as your cover photo. And apart from that, we can connect our other accounts to let people know where to find you. So here you can enter up your username, handle for Instagram, your Facebook link, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and many more. So go ahead and see it. And we also have subscription privacy. You can turn on those options as well or turn it off, and also actively privacy that you can edit up and update your profile details. And that's it. Once you're okay with it, you can click on done in the top right corner and update of the details, and that should do it. And that is it, everybody. You can follow this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.